Today, I want to share with you an incredible secret to accelerate hair growth and cure baldness. It's a powerful Indian recipe that will transform your hair from the first week. And do you know what the magic ingredient is? Green pepper. Before the recipe, I would like to ask you to like the video and follow our channel so we can grow and bring more health content to you. Thank you. Hair loss can be a nightmare for many people and can affect our self-esteem and confidence. But with this simple recipe, you will be able to make your hair stronger and healthier than ever before. To prepare the recipe, start by washing a green pepper well. Then, grate it using a grater and add a small cup of unsalted extra virgin olive oil. Olive oil is rich in vitamin E, which helps fight hair loss. The mixture of sweet green pepper and olive oil helps nourish hair follicles and roots and stimulates growth in a short time. Green pepper also protects against scalp problems that hinder hair growth and affect its size and density. This is due to its high proportion of vitamin C, which facilitates the absorption of iron in the hair cells. Let the mixture ferment in a well-sealed bottle in a dark place for a whole week. Then, filter the mixture to extract the oil and keep it in a jar for daily use. To apply the recipe to your hair, simply massage the scalp with the pepper oil for 5 minutes and let it sit for 2 hours, wrapping your hair in plastic wrap. Then, wash your hair with water and shampoo. Repeat the recipe 3 times a week to get incredible results. This recipe is simple but extremely powerful and could be the solution you were looking for to make your hair grow and thicken. So, try it now and feel the difference. Like the recipe? Like and share it so more people can see it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.